Y'all, today I'm going to talk to you about how financial literacy can give you financial freedom. Okay, now let's break it down. First thing first. All right, so what you want to do out the gate is just educate yourself, learn about investing, budgeting, and savings, and minimizing taxes. And the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to making smart financial decisions. Do your due diligence, do your research, use AI, use the internet to make good financial decisions. Okay. Next, I want you to set some financial goals. Okay. Whether it's just saving for a house, paying off debt, or extremely important, building an emergency fund. Okay. Building an emergency fund, um, and set clear goals that will help you stay on track and motivated. Stay motivated. Remember your why you want to save, why you want to be financially independent, and don't forget the budget. Um, track budgets, track all your expenses, and finding ways to save money. Okay, make it that can make a big difference in your financial situation when you find ways to save money. Live like you're like you living in college, like in a dorm, okay, for your financial situation. Okay, so there you have it. Financial literacy is the key to financial freedom. Okay, because you can have money, but if you don't know what to do with that money, it doesn't matter. Start educating yourself, taking control, taking control of your finances. Okay, today. Okay, so get with me and let's start learning and applying